Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss some properties of a triangle. So first we are taking a theorem. There is a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Means the angle opposite to equal sides. These two sides are given equal, which is an isosceles. We are supposed to prove that कि angle B will be equal to angle C. What is saying? Angle opposite to equal sides. Angle opposite to equal sides. This side is equal to this one. इसका opposite angle C हुआ, इसका opposite B. They will be the equal. You are supposed to prove it this one. So this is the information given. We want to prove this one. So you need a construction is here. So you are supposed to do the construction. In a construction, we are supposed to draw the AD is the bisect of angle A. Bisect angle A. That is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. That we are going to draw this angle 1 is equal to 2. We are going to draw the AD is the bisector which is going to bisect the angle A. That we are going to do in a construction. Construction में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम AD line draw कर रहे हैं which is going to bisect angle A. And now you can take in these two triangles in proof. So just take in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. In these two triangles, you are supposed to make दोनों triangle को congruent करिए because we want to prove angle B is equal to angle C. So look at here now. देखिए AB is equal to AC is already given. AB is equal to AC. This is already given. ये हमको already given है. Angle 1 is equal to 2. That we are doing in a construction. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is we are doing in a construction. So again, one side, one angle. So you have the one option. In case of SAS, you are applying one side, one angle, or ASA, one angle, one side. Either you are supposed to search one angle, या एक side. तो देखिए angle is not given. So you have this is AD is the common in both the triangles. So you can say this AD is equal to DA. That is this is common. So therefore you can say the triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. तो ट्रायंगल ADB एंड ट्रायंगल ADC दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हुए बाय SAS congruence rule. Side angle side, side angle side, and once they are the congruent, then you can say equal angle, equal side opposite. Then you can say, see now this side is common है तो इसका opposite angle B, इसका opposite angle C will be the equal, and this is you can say by the CP sheet which you want to prove. Have a look. Yes, now the second theorem is there. The side opposite to equal angles. This angle B is equal to C is given. Angle B is equal to angle C is given. We are supposed to prove that this AB will be equal to AC. Previous theorem में क्या था? AB is equal to AC was given. हमने प्रूव किया था angle B is equal to angle C. Now the converse is there. Angle B is equal to angle C है. So you are supposed to prove this side is equal to this one. So this is the information is given. We want to prove this one. Here you need a construction is here. What we will do? यानी construction में हमें क्या करना है? We are supposed to draw the perpendiculars here. AD on the side BC. Just draw the perpendicular. Now ये दोनों triangle को congruent करिए. देखिए in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. See now, in these two triangles, angle B is equal to C is already given. Angle B is equal to angle C. This is already given. ये हमको already given है. This is already given. This is 90-90. ये हमने किस में किया? Construction में. We are doing in a construction. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC here. This is we are doing in a construction. In a construction. Now the question is there. We are supposed to make these two triangles are by any one of the rule is there only. लेकिन यहाँ क्या है? दो एंगल. Two angles are equal. Two angles are equal. But included side must be equal. अब इसमें in these two triangles में this is the side which is common. AD is equal to common. But question क्या है? This angle is equal to this one. तो you are supposed to think about this angle also. No doubt क्यों ये एंगल इसके बराबर है. This is equal to this one. And sum of these three angles 180. इन तीनों का सम भी 180 होगा. तो then you can say this angle will be equal to this one. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because they are the third angle. So you must take the help of that. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 that is your third angle. Third angles. Therefore, this one. So, with the help of this is what we are going to do now. This one 90 and this angle 1 is equal to 2. This is your that we are doing in a construction. This is equal to the 90 degree. You can write on here. That is we are doing in a construction is 90. So, this angle is equal to this one. Construction में ये third angle हुआ और AD is common. AD is equal to DA is the side is the common. So the included side आ गया. The side which is common उस पर दोनों angle. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. Should be equal. Then only you can say A as A. So hence you can say therefore the triangle ADB. You can say therefore the triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. And this is by ASA rule. And once they are the congruent, उसके बाद बिंदास you can say AB is equal to AC because equal side opposite side equal angle opposite sides are always equal. ये इसकी equal है, इसका opposite ये side, इसका opposite ये, and that you can say by CPCT. By CPCT which you want to prove. Once the triangles are the congruent, then directly you can say by the CPCT is there only. Here you should be very careful. Included side. This is equal to this one. Is already given. ये that we are doing in a construction में हमने किया तो ये आपको पहले बताना पड़ेगा. Then only you can apply this one is there. Have a look. Okay. Now this is the question from NCERT 7.1 exercise. Question is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle is given in which AB is equal to AC. This is already given. AB is equal to AC. It means if AB is equal to AC, then you can say then angle B will be equal to angle C. That is also you can say this is the information is already given. Because जब दो side equal होती हैं तो opposite angles are always equal. That is already we discussed in a theorem. Then he is saying the bisector of angle B and C. Bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C. They are intersecting at the point 2. Means you can say this angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is also given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to half of angle B and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to half of angle C. This is the information is already given and we are supposed to join AO. You must join this AO. Then we are supposed to show that OB is equal to OC. पहले हमें क्या बताना है? This is equal to this one. And second is then AO bisect angle A means this is equal to this one that we want to. Here you can say that is you want to prove it. This is angle 5 is equal to angle 6. This is the we want to show that only. So look at here now. This is the information is given. You want to prove is here. You want to show that. You must write down here. So now proof is you can see. In triangle this ABC. In triangle ABC. This AB is equal to AC is already given. So therefore you can say angle B is equal to angle C because equal side opposite angles are equal. You can give the reason. यहाँ लिख दीजिए equal sides opposite angles are equal. Just you can divide by 2 both the side. Angle half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. You can say do the same operation. Because BO is the bisector of angle B, so angle 1 is equal to 2. That is already B. This is already given. So half of angle B will be equal to, you can say the angle 2. And half of angle C is equal to, you can say the 3. Now you can take in this triangle OBC. Now in triangle OBC, what you are getting? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. It means two equal angles, opposite sides are always equal. In this one only, so therefore you can say OB is equal to OC. Reason is there because angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Then equal angles, opposite sides. Equal, we know this is equal angles, opposite sides are equal. And this is also the theorem is already we discussed. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3 means then you can say this OB is equal to OC. So this is your first part is there. Now we want to prove this angle 5 is equal to this one. So what we will do? ये दोनों triangles को in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, you are supposed to make the both the triangles are the congruent is there only. Have a look. Yes. Now we want to prove angle 5 is equal to 6 means we want to prove that AO bisect angle A. इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? We are supposed to make this triangle AOB, this one, and triangle AOC. This is are the congruent. See, so you can take in these two triangles. See now, this AB is equal to AC. This is already given. आपको ये information already given है. So you must write down AB is equal to AC is already given, and OB is equal to OC. That is already been proved. This is already proved. So two sides is there only. See now, one more property is also there. Later on we will discuss triple S and RHS. You can apply here is the triple S is also there only. But we don't want to use that property right now. तो देखिए, this angle B was equal to angle C was given, and half of this angle B is also equal to this one. So angle 1 is equal to 4 is also given. Because see, angle B is equal to angle C. This was already given. Because you can say the given means because you can give the region in place of this one, because AB is equal to AC. This is already given. So equal side opposite angle will be the equal. So half will also be the equal. Half will also be the equal. And half of the angle B is angle, you can say this is angle 1. Therefore, and half of this one is angle 4. 1 is equal to 4 is there. So this side and included angle. Therefore, you can say the triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC, and this is by SAS congruence rule. And once they are the congruent, then you can say hence angle 5 is equal to angle 6 by CPCT. And if angle 5 is equal to 6 means that is AO is going to bisect the angle A, or you can say AO bisects angle A is here only. So simply by SAS you can do that. One more property is there, triple S होता है, तो अगर हम चाहते तो you that we can also apply, but later on I will discuss that property. Have a look.